So we've already gone over how to stream Netflix in 4K. Wait, you haven't seen that video? Well, maybe it's because you haven't subscribed to the channel and you should probably do that. Anyway, if you're paying for the premium Netflix subscription, you better be getting that 4K resolution. If you're not, let's figure out how to fix and improve your Netflix video quality. And be sure to stick around to the end, or at least check out the time codes in the description of this one, because the last tip is huge for those who watch within a browser on PC or Mac. So on your PC or Mac device, or within your phone or tablet browser, not the actual Netflix app, you're gonna go to your account, then you'll need to find your individual profiles. These streaming settings are attached to the profiles, not the overall account. Within your profile, you'll see a few options that you might find interesting, but what we're looking for is playback settings. That's where we can do things like change our autoplay settings. As you can see, I'm telling Netflix to keep those next episodes coming. But to fix your video quality issue, check out the data usage options. If you have it set to auto, Netflix will pick the quality for you based on your internet speed. But if you switch to low, medium, or high, you can tell Netflix to do exactly what you want. If you've got data caps on your internet and want to avoid hitting those, the low setting will help, but will also limit your streaming quality. Medium will set your quality at a standard 720p, and high will give you the best quality available based on your plan. That's either full 1080p HD or 4K Ultra HD. But worth noting, it will chew through data at a higher rate, especially streaming in 4K. So, to re-emphasize all of that, especially for the smart TV viewers, your playback settings, along with your internet speed, will have the greatest impact on your television video quality. For 4K, Netflix recommends streaming at 15 megabits per second, and for full HD, 5 megabits per second. For more on 4K viewing overall, check out our How to Watch Netflix in 4K video linked in the description. But before you go, don't ignore this last piece of information. If you're watching Netflix within a web browser, depending on your system and browser, your video quality could be limited. If you're on PC, Chrome is capped at streaming Netflix at full HD 1080p. Not a problem unless you have the premium plan, in which case you'll want to use Microsoft Edge, which allows Ultra HD 4K resolution. If you're using a Mac, Chrome is also capped at streaming in 1080p, and if you want the ability to view in 4K, you'll need to use Safari instead. Thanks for watching, and if this video did help you at all, hit that like button below and definitely subscribe as we continue to try to solve your home theater problems. You can also check out Caleb Dennison's You Ask series for some really in-depth topics on TVs, speakers, and just about anything under the sun that you can think of in the realm of home theater tech.